Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add fonts in Figma, right? It's pretty easy to do. The first thing you need to do here is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in figma.com/downloads. All right, right here, just go ahead and open it up and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to scroll down a bit until you see this section right here, which says font installers. Go ahead and install for Mac or the installer for Windows if you're using Windows. All right, start the download, open, install, close as it's complete. Now, the next thing that we need to do here is just basically download a font. All right, just go ahead and go to fonts, no copyright, of course. And then you're going to want to select a link. All right, for example, we're going to want to use this one right here, which is the super bubble. Just click on the download button right here and wait for it to process. All right, as you can see here, start download, open folder. I'm going to cut this one and save it to the desktop. Right here, as you can see, we have the font. Click and extract here. Once done, as you can see, we have now the installer. Just go ahead and double click on it. And as you can see here, there's a button called install. Install it and wait for the process to finish. Once done, go ahead and close Figma if you're currently running it right now. Then reopen Figma again and search for the super bubble, which is the name of the font. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.